Hey, this is Dave from housebearings.com. Today we're going to show you an alternate way to level a floor. We're in the upstairs of a 115-year-old house, and this floor has basically, as you see those blocks, these are individual shims that we put in here to kind of make up for a swell in this floor. It's a bit of a bowl shape, but it's an odd shape, and what we're trying to accomplish is not to use floor leveler on this floor. The swell is a little on the thick side. We thought we'd be better off to use shims. All right, so what we're doing here is, what we've done is from the sidewall, which is basically our high spot on that side of the room, we're just taking the level and putting it across there. And so each of these sit now on what's a level surface, but that's how much these are 1/4 inch pieces of plywood. So it's off a 1/2 inch here. It's off as much as 3/4 of an inch over on that side. And because this house is so old and there is that sag in the timbers, we didn't want to use the floor leveler because of weight on the upstairs floor. So we decided to use shims, which would be a lot lighter. Once we've got all these shims down, we're going to install 3/4 inch OSB or subflooring. And that will give us the level floor that we're looking for. All right, what we're doing is just adding a bit of glue, some liquid nails to the pads or the shims, and this will give us a little bit of extra holding power. It'll keep the squeaks away as well. So we got some glue down, and then this will just help hold the OSB.
So let's just cut it at 62.
Yeah, because we want to keep it somewhat straight. What we're doing there is it's one of our bigger gaps. And so once we have the level on 2 ends, we can go ahead and slide those boards in there. Part of the reason why we decided to cover this floor is those tiles there are 9-inch tiles, and typically 9-inch tiles are asbestos, and if they're not, certainly the glue that's underneath them could be, and so those tiles are best left undisturbed, and that's why we're putting a subfloor over it, and then we'll finally put a floor over that, either click block or hardwood, and it'll be a dramatic difference. In this room is pretty much done, and we use those pads as shims. In this room, we're basically using these big sheets because this has a big dip right in the center. All right, so we got the floor all in, and it's been, we had what used to be a really wonky floor, and now it's very reasonably level. When we get the final flooring in, you won't even be able to tell. I hope this video helps. Got any questions? Be sure and drop us a line. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. If you haven't subscribed, please do. We've got lots more videos coming. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.